Hi, Bigsby. How's the weather today?
It is partly cloudy in New York.
By calling out to Bigsby or tapping on the home screen, I can easily check my schedule, notes, and meal plans. By swiping down, you can see all the contents and their location inside the fridge without opening the door. That cuts down on cold air loss, and it cuts down on my energy costs.
Make life smarter and more enjoyable.